इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृत्ति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।
Tirthankar Adinath Swami is the moonlight of this divine temple Vivek Vihar, Delhi. Now in his lotus feet, he's spreading his blessings. He's spreading his blessings. He's spreading his blessings. Because of his blessings, we all are here. Now only one thing, it can change your whole life. One thing it can change your whole life. And what is it? One thing can change whole life. And what is it? The nectar is word of Tirthankar Adinath Swami. Now in this book, Vayan Saro, it is my happiest moment of my life when I'm delivering these all things in front of. It is first occasion of my life when I'm delivering this thing in English pravachan in channel. You know? I want to give my blessings and thank to Paras Channel and his whole team and the sponsor of this program, Nishant Chandigarh, who is so dedicated for me and is a very devotee for Jainism and principles of Lord Mahavira. So in this book, Vayan Saro, Acharya Sunil Sagarji Maharaj wrote so fantastic thing, that is Mangalacharan. Mangalacharan initiative stage. If you want to do start any work, if you want to start any work, maybe it's in materialistic life, in business, in any relation, in your personal life, you want to do something for your health, whatever you want to do in your life. Without Mangalachan, everything is incomplete. So Mangalachan is Vaddamanam Janam Natta Nana Diguna Sanjudam Voche Venisaram Cha Loga Kalyana Hedugam Loga Kalyana Hedugam. I want to bow my head in front of Acharya Gurudev Sunil Sagarji Maharaj, who is in Kishangarh, Ajmer, Rajasthan. He wrote a sundar, fantastic book, Vayan Sar. It's a holy book, Vayan Sar. Acharya spent so many years and years from childhood, he entered in spiritual path, and now he's an Acharya. He has maybe around 60-65 disciples are there. Some Arika, some naked monk are there, some white clothing Arika Mataji is there, some Chulakji, Ilakji, some Brahmachari is there. So he from childhood he got so many holy books from different with Pandit, from different advanced scholars of Jainism, very high scholar like Pandit Panla Lalchaji Sahityachar and other persons are there. And he got the blessings of Tapasi Samrat Chanmati Sagarji Maharaj. Tapasi Samrat. He was the peak of renunciation penance in Janastri. He spent his last 10 years just only Mattha, nothing else. Mattha and water. And today he will take Mattha and water, and then next day he will do fast. And then next day, then Mattha water, then fast, then next day, alternately, not in 48 hours. We can't imagine. It's beyond our thinking. And when he was on this earth, so anybody can see, he can't judge here, just only Mattha and water, and he's spending his whole life. He's doing each and everything. There is no weakness. It is a concept in our mind. From childhood, our mother, father, our grandmother, grandfather, if you will not eat, even if you will not take any food, then you will, hey, mar jayega. Take it food. It's very compulsory, very compulsory. But when any monk who merge in itself, in own self, so what happens? We can get the power from within, the power of soul. So he got the too much power. At that time, he was a very great saint at the time, Acharya Adi Sagarji Anklekar. He gave his put, his descendant, Acharya Mahavir Kirtiji Maharaj. And Mahavir Kirtiji Maharaj gave his put to Acharya Sanmati Sagarji Maharaj. Put means descendant. He transferred, delivered his all his spiritual power to his disciple, Acharya Sanmati Sagarji Maharaj. And when Sanmati Sagarji Maharaj realized that at this last moment of my life, he wrote a letter to his disciples and declared that after me, Munishi Sunil Sagarji Maharaj, he will be my next Bhattacharya, next Acharya, next to me, and Acharya Sunil Sagarji Maharaj. Just not because of too much, thousands of persons are around him, not because of so many ministers are his disciples, not because of a very huge amount of disciples, Pichidhari, that is Pichidhari monks are there. No, there is a reason. Why is my guru? This is not a reason. Really is a spiritual person. So, Vardhamanam Janam Natta, Vardhaman Swami, Tirthankar Lord Mahavira, Janam, Jin means the person who is no need of any materialistic thing. No need of any materialistic thing. He got the Kevala Jnana. तीन लोग के सारे पदार्थ उनकी सारी पर्यायों के साथ में एक साथ झलकते हैं. Each and everything which is in this Trilok, Swarglok, heaven, this earth and hell and Narak, this three lok, है ना, three lok. So he is getting each and everything with same time. Now you human mind, when I'm saying to you, I can see there. What is happening in here? I can't understand. If I want to know here, na, so I will see, I will turn my neck and then I will see there. But Keval Jnani Tirthankar, he knows each and everything. What's happening there. But these are like mirror. Something is reflecting in mirror. Something is appearing in mirror. Mirror not catching this all those all things. It's not camera, it's mirror. So here some avla, you know, there is in our holy scripture in Zen books, this suppose is avla. It's like very tiny fruit, like lemon. Okay, got it, lemon. So lemon is lemon. So you can see each and every aspect of that lemon. Because it's very tiny for you. It's not very huge thing is there. So for us ordinary human being, the lok is very huge. I don't know how many lakhs kilometers are there. How many lakh kilometers are there? But it's very tiny in front of his that supreme knowledge. That is Kevala Jnana. So in Kevala Jnana, you got to attain the Kevala Jnana. And Nana Diguna Sayuktam. Or not only Kevala Jnana. What? Nanadi. Nanadi means Gyan Adi. Gyan means wisdom. Not a bookish knowledge. That is the difference between a Panditji, the scholar, and the monk. The scholar will understand these all things by help of some books. Some words are there in his mind, in his heart. But any tapasvi, any monk who's really is a monk, well, he renounced even clothes. Clothes also renounced. He left the clothes. He has no need of any clothes. When he got the Keval Jnana, after too much penance and sacrifices there. It was a peak of sacrifice and penance. So he told, Acharya Gurudev Sunil Saji Maharaj told that Jnanadi Guna Sayuktam. Because of knowledge, you can understand what is there. Consider those thousands and infinite qualities, virtues and values in our soul. But consider, there is no Gyan. What is use of these all things? No. What is use of these all things? We can't understand anything, na? By help of our eyes, by help of our ears, help our nose and tongue, mouth, है ना? Tongue, we can taste, we can touch, है ना? They are all five senses. We can get the knowledge of this materialistic world. But to get the knowledge of spiritual knowledge, to get the knowledge of soul, we have no need of any sense. That is beyond of sense. So that is the main thing. So that is the main thing. The Acharyas, what he told, we are understanding. Because of help of this Vayana Saru, I am not understanding the lectures and preaches of Lord Mahavir Swami. Not, we are not understanding. We are understanding our own self. The person who has knowledge of own self, he can get knowledge on each and everything of this world. In Vaishnava Parampara, in Hinduism, there is a quotation, Yatha Pindi Tatha Brahmande. Whatever is here, at outer world, same thing is reflecting. If there is no peace of mind, you can't get those all things in outer world. So by help of Acharya Guru Sunil Sagar ji, by help of this Vayana Saru, by help of this nectarious word, we are getting the infinite power. Nowadays, you can see so many politicians are there, so many social workers are there, even some saints are in this line who want to get more and more and more and more and more and more and more power. But it was a materialistic power. But we will merge in this, dip in this words, glorious words. Really, these words are like lanterns. These words are like light and word. If just only one word, only one letter, if it will enter in the core of your heart, your whole life will enlighten. You will enlighten person. To get enlightenment, we are all here. This is the motto of spirituality. It is the motto of any religion. That is one intention. If you are getting this intention, if you are not getting this intention, then all rituals, it are bogus. Whatever puja, otherwise chanting, otherwise reading of any books, it will be useless. To attaining the self. To attain the self, self, it doesn't mean that the person who is spiritual, it doesn't mean that he will not take care of his own family. The person who is spiritual, it doesn't mean that he will not give response and love and honor to his neighbor. The person who is spiritual, the religious person, it doesn't mean that he will not do something for the nation. The person who is really spiritual person, the person who is a really religious person, surely has solution each and every problem of any layer of existence. We are not just body, your mind also, your talent, intellect also. When a social animal, so the society is there, so many persons are there, so many animals are there, environment is also there. So many persons, they are suffering, there are so many problems in those persons' life. So spirituality means this is solution of each and every problem for any person, not only human being, but also insects also, any animals also, birds also. Who is creature? Oh, not only the living creature, but also non-living things. Non-living things. The person who is so religious, surely he will give respect and honor to non-living things also. The person who is very cruel, the person who is very gunda, but we can say terrorist. He has no pity, no compassion. Without pity, without compassion, whatever he will do, he will be a sin. He will destroy the nature and atmosphere. This is the beauty of speeches of Lord Mahavir Swami. Not only for human being, but also for the things which are non-living things. We can give the respect. That is the real knowledge. That thing is a non-living thing. It doesn't mean that I got the right to start that thing. No. It's not like that. Spirituality means it's a way to learn. What is the way to teach the things and persons? It is a tragedy of human life. If you are spiritual, there are so many persons who are spiritual, they will merge in their own self. It's a good thing. But because of that thing, so many times I saw in my this naked eyes, they have no time for their family. They have just time for their spiritual practice. They will not give response and respect to any person. They will pay respect and honor just only to their God and Guruji and spiritual master and the person who is supporting to his spiritual practice. The person is resisting. The person is in oppose of that person. When you talk with that person like this. So resistance is not the religion. That is not Gyan. Jnana niguna sanyuktam. If Gyan is there, na, the person is insulting you, condemning you, blaming you, you also go to your response, your honor. You will acknowledge that person. If you are unable to acknowledge the persons, the who he is, the who she is, if you are unable to digest any person, it means the deficiency in your knowledge. Thus, your mouth is telling something, like puppet, like machine, like robot. Something is coming out of your mouth, but you're not living with those things, those knowledge, that knowledge. Now we hear, Voche Vayana Saramcha. Acha Gurudev Sunil Saji Maharaj told that he is giving commitment. Voche, it means I will deliver. What I will deliver? Vayanasar. Vayanasara means, Vayana means Shabda, words. Sara means essence. I will tell you from birth to death. I don't know how many millions and trillions and billions of words comes out of anybody, any single person's mouth. But what is the essence of those all words? That is Vayanasar.
इस कार्यक्रम के प्रसारण पुण्यार्जक हैं वृत्ति श्राविका श्रीमती रत्नमाला जैन एवं उनके सुपुत्र श्रीमान आदर्श जैन की पुण्य स्मृति में श्रीमती रेखा जैन, निशांत जैन, रोहित जैन, सुरभि जैन, तुषार जैन, शिल्पी जैन, अर्णव जैन एवं आरव जैन।